Between 2005 and 2015, there were 160,000 foreclosures in the city of Detroit. That includes mortgage and tax foreclosure. That accounts for 120,000 homes in the city of Detroit, or essentially 48% of all residential housing stock in the city. From 2005 to 2013, 30% of all residential property in Detroit went through mortgage foreclosure. Mortgage foreclosure peaked in 2007 with 16,000 foreclosures that year. 43 of every 1,000 houses faced foreclosure in Detroit in 2007. For comparison, the outer ring suburbs of Southeast Michigan, 13 of every 1,000 houses faced foreclosure. 50% of foreclosure sales were to bulk buyers at $500 or less. 70% of purchases out of mortgage foreclosure were by investors or speculators. The other foreclosure problem that people have faced in the city of Detroit is tax foreclosure. In the early 2000s, it started in 2002, the tax foreclosure accounted for about 2,500 to 5,000 properties annually. By 2017, we're dealing with over 30,000 properties in the tax foreclosure. Speculators and investors account for 90% of all purchases. 30% of all purchases were for $500 or less. 95% of these purchases were at the second auction, which means that the price starts at $500. Since 2008, land contracts have exceeded all types of mortgage lending in the city of Detroit. And between 2010 and 2015, we've seen a 5-fold increase in evictions.